Everyone, I just want to take a look at these AI coins again today. Not much else is actually pumping, but Fetch AI, Ocean Protocol, Singularity Net, they're all still pumping. Now, as I said yesterday, this is on the hourly time frame. I think we were around here when I made the video, and I said it could have a rejection in this area, and it probably would come down. Now, I didn't know how far. But yeah, it did manage to break through quite significantly, but then it came back down for like a retest, but it kind of failed on this retest, but it managed to gain strength, a little bit later, and again, came down and retested. Basically, this candle right here was the retest, and it managed to hold on and continue higher. So right now, we're sitting just a few cents under the all-time high for Fetch. It's making pretty much new all-time highs like every day now. Now, if we take a look at Singularity Net, basically it's breaking above that resistance where I told you it had to break. But this is on the daily. If I go to the 4-hour chart, it did just close above. Now it closed above 13 minutes ago. We got to see if it holds on. You can see that, this line that I drew here, this green line, was resistance here and also here. It almost touched on this candle, but not quite. So I wouldn't count that probably. But it is pretty close. I mean, you could make a case, yeah, it was a test, but anyways, this looks good now, but we got to see if it can hold on, to this, $3, not $3, $1.39, we can say. Now, if we go to Ocean Protocol, basically it's doing the same thing. They all have pretty similar patterns. This one has managed to break through $1.37, which, it's kind of crazy because it's very similar to, Singularity Net, basically at $1.39, we can say. It had resistance, but Ocean Protocol, about $1.37, 38. This is on the daily, though. Let's look at this in the 4-hour. Now, it actually has closed more candles than Singularity Net. So it actually looks a little bit better, Ocean Protocol than Singularity Net, because it's closed 4 candles up here, Now it has tested this Fibonacci here, this, next level where it needs to get into, but it's failed to really break into it and hold. So I do believe we'll come up $1.55 or so. We will probably spend some time trying to push, but with the bullish news from yesterday, Fetch AI, Singularity Net, and Ocean merging into a single AI project, I made a little short today about this news because last night I just didn't have time. This morning also, but yeah, this is great news. I mean, basically it's going to be dubbed artificial superintelligence, this merger. They're going to be in a token called ASI. Now I know I've heard that they're going to operate separately still, so I'm still not sure how this is really going to work. But yeah, you can look online for news about this. It'll give you a little bit more information. You can see that the fully diluted valuation will be $7.5 billion. And yeah, I mean, this just looks, excellent. Yeah, you can read this news yourself. I'm not going to bore you with it. But basically, like I said, Fetch now has broken above this resistance. That's great. Probably has a ride up to about, yeah, $4, sorry, $4.20 or so. Agix, we don't know how high this can go. It really, you know, there is no boundary really. I mean, it's basically an all-time high territory, blue skies. And also that goes for, ocean. Ocean is not an all-time high, but it's getting very close. If we look at this on the weekly, yeah, it's very close, very, very close. And I believe it's going to fly once it gets, up above probably about $1.70. So yeah, guys, looks good. Thanks a lot. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, activate the bell. See you in the next one.